It is now 4 p.m. on July 17th, Beijing time. The EURUSD short orders that entered the market at 1.1207 to 1.1270 last Thursday are still being held, and there is no good chance to sell them. However, the gains in EURUSD have begun to slow down, with little capital movement, and 1.1255 to 1.1300 from the first resistance above. The current exchange rate of 1.1240 is in the buying range, and you can keep the light position and continue to hold. This round of rise in non-US currencies is mainly due to the decline in US employment data and CPI data. Just looking at the data shows that there is no need to raise interest rates at the end of July. But various senior officials of the Federal Reserve have expressed the meaning of raising it, to shake the Federal Reserve's interest rate hike stance in July, whether it will raise interest rates twice in the second half of the year as they said. More information needs to be tracked later. Then there is gold. The short orders in 1952 to 1965 last week are still being held. There is no good opportunity to sell. The gold price has tested the resistance at 1951 and turned to support many times without breaking it, but it has not continued to attack. In the short term, more observation is needed. If it falls below 1950, there is a chance to test the 1942 position. The cash price is 1952. You can keep the light position, set a take profit and stop loss, and don't make new points. In addition to manual orders, EA programs are now quite popular around the world. EA Expert Advisor is an automated trading program. More than 60% of Wall Street transactions are completed by it. However, there are few good EA. It needs to be continuously optimized and programmed by top traders and program experts to adapt to the ever-changing market outlook. Lao Dai's main account has also been using EA programs to run high-weight EURUSD. The profit in the second quarter of this year was $65,804. From July 1st to today, the monthly profit has reached $8,980. If you want to observe the historical operation records and the whole process of daily real-time trading, add the contact information on the screen to ask me for the password of the main account to observe. The password will be disclosed for a week. If it suits you, consider joining the trader group or participating in copy trading. How to operate today? Because there are still short orders in EURUSD and gold, no new points will be given for these two products today. In addition, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBPUSD, AUDUSD, USD/JPY, silver, and crude oil to give the support, pressure, and direction preference of the day. The picture above is a review of last Friday's views, and the bottom is today's views. It is only recommended for traders who have a certain basis for short-term trading. The target point is not placed on the video, and Lao Dai will also watch the market trend to notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Philip Fisher.